So here we have the Ford Fiesta Titanium on a 17 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you'll see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows around the rear. Let's start from inside the boot and then we'll work our way around the rest of the car from there. So you'll see as we approach the back of the car we've got a 60/40 split folding rear seat and plenty of boot space as well. So we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition, as are the carpet areas. There's plenty to run for on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. We're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, on the right hand side the speedometer, in the middle at the bottom we've got the fuel gauge, and then above that we've got the total miles on the car, which are 9,012. If we push the button on the end of the indicator stalk, so the left hand stalk, you'll see we get different fuel economy information up there. Backing out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone, and on the right hand side we have cruise control. Over in the centre here is where we set up the phone, so using the stereo unit and the screen in front of you there. First of all though, this car's got FM radio, as you can see. It's got AM and DAB digital as well. And then on top of that we've got a CD player, USB input, and you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth. So there's loads of ways to listen to music on this car. It also has satellite navigation, which will also be displayed up on that screen there. The main stereo unit is directly beneath that. You can see the CD player at the top of that unit. Some of the options I mentioned a moment ago down on the left, and then satellite navigation options just there. Beneath that we've got climate control, so we can select the fan speed, that side, temperature over this side, press that button to turn the air conditioning on, or hit auto and it will maintain 16 degrees for you. Override auto again, just so if I push auto the fan speed will increase, as you can hear. You can override that yourself just by turning the fans. And then we've got a heated front screen just there. This button turns off the stop and start. So this car's designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. Press that button if you'd rather not use that system. It has a 5-speed manual gearbox, and then directly beneath that we've got a 12-volt charging socket and the USB input. So all that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.